This video tutorial covers the installation of custom charting add-ons for the Metatrader platforms. In this example, I will be installing the tick and volume bar charting software for Metatrader 5. However, the procedure is the same for installing all of the custom charting types that we offer for Metatrader versions 4 and 5. You will find a complete list of add-ons with download links in the description below this video. To install the software, double-click on the downloaded setup file for the selected custom charting type. Click through the installation process until you arrive at the Select Destination Location page. The information provided here needs to be correct for the installed software to function, so please pay special attention to this step. The software must be installed into the selected Metatrader program folder and not the data folder or any other place on your hard drive. You can quickly find the destination location by right-clicking on the program icon used to launch your terminal. Next, click on Open File Location from the context menu to open File Explorer. The File Explorer address bar reveals the full path to your Metatrader installation folder. Copy this information to the clipboard by left-clicking on the blank area of the address bar. Select Copy Address as Text from the context menu. Now, you can either paste the full path to your Metatrader program folder via right-click and paste command, or manually enter it into the input field of the Select Destination Location page. Alternatively, you can click Browse and navigate to the correct folder. Now click through the rest of the installation process and wait for the software to install. Once the installation process finishes, you may start your Metatrader terminal. The newly installed software will be visible in the Navigator panel. Press Ctrl-N if the panel is not visible on your platform. Repeat the procedure to install the software on each Metatrader terminal where you wish to use the custom charting add-ons.